Hello everyone and welcome back to Quiz Quist. Today we are back with this fun challenge. Rate the dog breed challenge. We have 60 questions and you only have 10 seconds to make a choice. If you are ready, hit the subscribe button and let's get started. How would you rate the Golden Retriever? What do you think of Cavalier King Charles Spaniel dog? How do you feel about the Bulldog? What's your opinion, the Alaskan Malamute? How would you rate the Bernese Mountain Dog? What do you think of the Labrador Retriever? Can you rate the English Springer Spaniel? How do you like the Border Collie? What's your opinion on the Basset Hound? How would you rate the Dachshund? What do you think of the German wire-haired pointer? Can you rate the Yorkshire Terrier? What's your opinion on the German Shepherd? How would you rate the Great Dane? What do you think of the Siberian Husky? Can you rate the Australian Shepherd? How do you like the French Bulldog? What's your opinion on the miniature Schnauzer? How would you rate the Brittany Spaniel? How would you rate the Bouvier de Flandre? What do you think of the Boxer? Can you rate the Great Pyrenees? How do you feel about the Havanese? What's your opinion on the Pembroke Welsh Corgi? How would you rate the English Setter? What do you think of the Boston Terrier? How would you rate the Beagle? Can you rate the German short-haired pointer? How do you like the Cocker Spaniel? How would you rate the miniature American Shepherd dog breed? Can you rate the Old English Sheepdog? How do you feel about the Mastiff breed? What's your opinion on the Chow Chow? How would you rate the Vizsla dog breed? What do you think of Doberman Pinscher? How do you like the Dalmatian breed? What's your opinion on the Shih Tzu? How would you rate the Weimaraner? What do you think of the Collie? Can you rate the English Cocker Spaniel? How do you feel about the Saint Bernard breed? How would you rate the Maltese? What's your opinion on the West Highland White Terrier? How would you rate the Greater Swiss Mountain Dog? What do you think of the Bloodhound dog breed? Can you rate the Newfoundland breed? How do you like the Akita breed? How would you rate the Portuguese water dog? How do you like the Chesapeake Bay Retriever? What do you think of the Belgian Malinois? What do you think of the Rhodesian Ridgeback? Can you rate the Papillon? Can you rate the Bull Mastiff? Can you rate the Scottish Terrier dog breed? Can you rate the Samoyed? Can you rate the Bull Terrier breed? Can you rate the Shetland Sheepdog breed? Can you rate the Shiba Inu dog breed? Can you rate the soft-coated White Terrier breed? Can you rate the Pomeranian breed? Can you rate the Chihuahua dog breed? Can you rate the Rottweiler dog breed?